In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a Discord support request to appeal a disabled account. If your Discord account was disabled and you believe it was a mistake, this walkthrough will help you send a clear professional appeal through the official support channel. Before you start, have your registered Discord email handy, along with your username and tag, like username allod234. If you have any relevant receipts, such as Nitro purchases or prior email verification messages from Discord, keep those ready as optional proof. And remember, never include passwords or sensitive billing details. Begin by opening your web browser, or if you prefer using the Discord app, you can navigate to help and support from within the app. Either path leads you to Discord's official help resources. Now go to the Discord support request page. The direct address is support.discord.com, and from there you can access the new request form at support.discord.com/HC/NUS requests new. This is the form you'll use to contact the Trust and Safety team. On the form, select the category labeled Appeals, Age Update, or Disabled Account. Choosing the correct category helps your request reach the right team faster and ensures they see the context immediately. Next, enter your email address. Make sure you use the same email registered to the disabled Discord account. Using a different email can delay the process because support uses this to verify ownership and match your request to the correct account. Then fill in your username and tag. This is the name followed by the 4-digit tag, like username/1234. Entering it accurately helps the team identify your account. If you're not currently logged in, type it exactly as you remember it. In the description box, keep your message polite and concise. A simple statement works well, such as, "Hello, my account was disabled. I believe this was a mistake. Please help me recover it." You can keep it brief and respectful. The goal is clarity without unnecessary detail. If the form asks for attachments, add any appropriate proof of identity or ownership, such as Nitro receipts or a screenshot of an email verification from Discord. Make sure any documents are clear and that sensitive information like full payment details is hidden. These attachments aren't always required, but they can help confirm that the account belongs to you. Once everything looks accurate, go ahead and submit the request. That's all you need to do on your end. Be patient while the team reviews your appeal and keep an eye on replies sent to the email you provided.